So I recently ate kidney beans the evening before running and exercise, and I had so much energy the following day during training. This is because kidney beans are made of complex carbohydrates, which are slow digesting, slowly releasing glucose incrementally into the bloodstream, supplying you with a steady flow of glucose that sustains your energy. And this is what I experienced during training. Instead of quickly spiking your blood sugar, eating kidney beans does the opposite and maintains energy flow. On top of sparking energy, kidney beans have plant protein. This helps the muscle tendons consistently contract. Since I ate these beans the evening before, it acted as a fuel reserve to maintain muscular energy for activity the following day. For post-exercise recovery, kidney beans are an excellent choice, as the protein helps the muscles recover. For those that are doing mental or physical endurance activities, kidney beans can be your ally, supplying you with a steady flow of energy so you're strong during your endeavors. Kidney beans have micronutrients like iron, magnesium, and potassium that contribute to oxygen transport to the lungs and muscles, electrolyte balance, and energy production. I ate these kidney beans straight out of the can, and I was good to go. I recently ate them again with banana bread, and they go well together. I didn't get gas from eating these beans. They must have soaked these beans before cooking and canning them. The brand name of these kidney beans is called Aunt Penny's. I ate their pinto beans and I didn't get gas from them either. Gas from beans are caused by a type of sugar called oligosaccharides that produce gas when passing through the digestive system due to fermenting. The amount of gas will depend on a person's digestive system and how the beans are soaked in water to dissolve the indigestible sugars into the water. You can soak kidney beans overnight for 24 hours, changing the water once before cooking them to reduce gas production in the large intestines. You also want to double check for small pebbles that can get mixed in with the beans. A colander strainer works great for getting rid of small pebbles while washing the beans. Or you can pick the beans out little by little with your hands to check for pebbles. As we check out the ingredients of these kidney beans, they have prepared organic red kidney beans, water, and sea salt. These are very simple ingredients, plus they're organic. Kidney beans are shaped as a kidney as symbolism and a representation of a constant flow of energy, similar to a kidney's function, in filtering out toxins to maintain cellular energy. Kidney beans are very nutritious, but they aren't the ideal food for people with kidney disease, as they are high in potassium and phosphorus. So add kidney beans into your nutrition